Hey my copy nerds, Carlo here. Today we're gonna talk about how to think as a copywriter. What is it like to live in a mind of a copywriter? So, as copywriters, we're always looking at words, at billboards, at funnels, at sales pages from other people, and we're observing. Observing is the number one skill of a copywriter. Seeing how every word makes such a thing, such a reaction to you. And what I'm gonna tell you guys, and I know it sounds weird, but if you think about it, the only mind that you truly have access to from the inside is your own. As copywriters and marketers, we're always looking to get in the mind of our audience, of our avatar, right? If we could just get in the mind of them, we could sell exactly what they need, right? That would be the best ever. But unfortunately, we can't do that, right? We don't have that power. So we can observe ourselves. That's why I have a swipe file full of all the headlines that I see that work for me, all the offers that I have bought, all the things that get my attention, so I can duplicate it and use it as my copy. That's a true life hack, guys. Seeing how you react to certain things and use it. I know you're not your audience, you're not your avatar, even though sometimes you are, but you can observe how you react to them. And a really cool exercise is seeing all the billboards, all the copy, all the Facebook ad copies that you see, and think about, how can I improve that? How could I improve that copy? How could that work better? A really cool example, guys, because I'm always seeing like the boxes from the stuff that I buy, the boxes from all the products that I have in my own house, and I see the copy and I get inspired and I think like, why did I bought this, for example? Like, okay, at that time maybe I wanted to get my teeth more white. Why? I think because I saw some article that said like people trust more people with white teeth. That's the pain that I have in that moment when I bought this. So I see the letters and I see advanced white. What does that have to mean, right? How can white can be advanced, right? I thought it was just a color. So you think about, how did this work? So I bought, and you see like, okay, they exactly told me what were you gonna get. You were gonna get whiter teeth, right? So my pain at the moment got satisfied with this exact product. So as copywriters, we're always seeing words, we're always seeing how it works, but the best tip ever that I can give you guys is observe your own mind. Get a list of all the power words that work and see how you react to them. Imagine that you're someone that wants this stuff and see how you can react to them. And another really powerful tool, guys, that you probably already do is hacking some other funnels, some other sales pages, some other stuff that you see that already works. Why? Because these people had spent millions of dollars doing this copy, right? Doing all the research for their clients, for their audiences. So if you probably don't have millions to spend on research on stuff, you can reverse engineer it and just use it yourself. You're not copying it, just modeling and see how it works. So that's a really good life hack, guys. But basically, as copywriters, just observe everything. That's the key, guys. Have a really nice swipe file. Observe your own mind. Observe how you react to certain words, to certain things. And that's the main key, guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.